Pediatric orthopedics is one of the tough areas. You have to take quick decisions and balanced decisions. Pediatric trauma is something where you have to have a judicious, rational decision-making power. When you come to resources, there are many, but then you are jumbled up. What exactly to read? Why not at Conceptual Orthopedics? We find a solution. The legendary teachers, Professor S.M. Thuli, Professor Sudhir Kumar, Professor Shantaram Shetty, Professor Anil Dhal, Professor Gopa Kumar, Professor V.B. Basim will all join together hands with the other faculties of Conceptual Orthopedics to clarify your doubts, to build your concepts, and finally to frame a structure in your mind so that you're confident in dealing with pediatric trauma cases. 6th and 7th February, 3 to 7 p.m. Mark your calendars. Let's keep it for Conceptual Orthopedics Pediatric Trauma course. The learning never ends because there's a classical saying, you learn while teaching and you teach while learning. Remember the rule, the learning never ends. Mark your calendar, 6th, 7th February, 3 to 7 p.m. Conceptual Orthopedics App. Thank you very much.